So hello, welcome back. So I've not done anything on this thing for a little while, and it has got a couple of issues when I last took it out. This bit down here, don't know where you can see it, but yeah, where this basically comes out of, that's leaking oil. Has been doing that I think for a while, but yeah, I found that out. And the other thing is it doesn't seem to run very well. It's definitely got an electronic problem. So what I've done is I've been on the old internet and I've brought one of these, an electronic distributor, because this has been an ongoing problem for a while on this tractor. I don't know if it's got something to do with because it was converted or from a 6 volt or what, but I don't know where you can see all this. But yeah, we've got an electronic ignition, which means we've got, I'll put those on there, new set of leads. These are separate, these don't come with the kit, so I'll put those over there. So if you get this kit, it comes with your new leads, 4 spark plugs. Have a quick look. I've literally, this only came this morning, so yeah, just a normal spark plug. It also comes with a new ignition coil. It's the wrong colour, but I'm sure it'll work. See what it looks like when it's on there. And of course, the most important part, the new electronic distributor, which is here. The only difference you'll ever notice if you ever do this is this bit here that sticks out. But other than that, you shouldn't really notice it too much. And then there's your brackets and stuff to hold it on. So I suppose put that back in there so it don't get damaged. Looks like some more instructions here. Yeah, just some more instructions. I think it's just actually, I think it's a colour print. Yeah, it's just a colour print of that other one that I showed you. Yeah, so I've got to get on putting all this on. And then fingers crossed that this thing will actually start and run a lot better than it ever has done. Because it's a bit, and it has got all new points and stuff in, and it all got set, and it's been a recurring problem for a while on this thing. But yeah, also the other things I did pick up, a new control box, because that one's not charging for some reason. It's all working but it's not charging. And another ignition barrel. This ignition barrel is just an on and off, whereas the one that's on it can do lights and all sorts, and it's just a faff. So yeah, and then I've got that thing up here, the David Brown, got all the loader off it. That's for a whole nother day, that is. Alright, I'll show it you when it's all on. Alright, see you in a bit. So it's on. There it is. There's a few things with it that I noticed. Oh, okay, cool. Well, that keeps that quiet. This wire here is stupidly too long. but the black one they give you is quite short, so I've had to make another piece, and it goes into 2, and it would probably help if I turn the fuel on. Right, yeah, but it's all on, it's working, and yeah, I said there was those couple of things. The boot bits are a bit naff, but I mean they work. So the next thing to do on this is going to be all of this, the governor and stuff is all debate. I think it might be down on this bit here. I don't know why you can see it. There's a big spring that goes down, and I'm wondering if that's starting to wear a bit, because this is quite an early Fergie, so it's obviously it's getting on. But yeah, turn the ignition off. Ignition off, boom. But yeah, it is all on. It is all working. So yeah, I've just got, I said, that to do. And this one, I've still got my control box and stuff to put in. But this one's about all working, and I think it wants some new front tyres at some point, but for how little use this one actually gets now, it's probably not really worth it at the minute. But yeah, alright. But yeah, I said that's all that in. I'll, yeah, if you want, yeah, if I can find that. I don't know where I can put that now. I did have some coloured instructions here I was going to quickly show you. I will have put them somewhere, probably taken them in already. Alright, anyway, I'll see you in the next one where we'll probably be doing something with this. Yeah, and then I've got a few other bits and pieces to do. Alright, cheers, see ya, bye.